welcome back to my channel. Today I got this video over this blue, yellow, I don't know, look inspired by my Pulp Fiction shirt. Looks like this. So it was inspired by this. If you want to know how I got this look or how I laid my ish, go ahead and please keep on watching. I'm sorry about the background noise. My mom's cleaning the carpet. I really wanted to film a video, and she knows I'm filming a video, so thanks, Mom. Today I am going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer for my primer. I'm not going to be wearing my makeup for all that long today, so not really looking for longevity here. I'm just looking for something that'll work. Okay, so I'm just going to apply it to my T-zone and where my pores are visible. My skin's been looking pretty good today, other than, you know, that. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my eyeshadow, honestly. I know it's hot as heck outside. It doesn't really feel like fall, but I wanted to do a fall look, but I don't want to look gothy, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I feel very uninspired right now. So we're just gonna wing it. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera because I want to know what I'm doing, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm so sorry, the noise. So I came up with this. It's really simple. It took me like less than 5 minutes. So it's basically just like a blue smoky eye with like yellowish, you know. I used the shade right here, and I used my Sonia Kashuk blending crease brush. It looks like this. It's like the gold one. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime this eye really quick. So this brush. So instead of using the top to pack on this color, you're going to use the side of the brush. So you see how it's white over here, but it's blue on one side. I used one side to pack the color onto my eyelid. Just watch. So what you're going to do, at first I focused it on the outer corner of my eye because I didn't know what I was doing. So we're just going to repeat my steps. I'm going to go over my eye so it's not creased. And then I'm just going to pack it, and just notice that I'm using the side of the brush and not the top. It's okay if it looks like this because it'll turn out to look like this. So just keep packing it, and then slowly, like when you get to the top, just like start tapping it slightly just to kind of diffuse that color. So first let me focus on blending these edges. So just make sure that you are going very lightly. Like you're barely touching your eye, so you don't want to be going. Grab the very end and just go in like circular motions. And then like we can clean up the edges later. So this is what we have so far. And now I'm going to go in with this Eco Tools blending brush. And I'm going to be grabbing my Life's a Drag palette, and I'm going to be using this yellow right here. And I'm going to only place it on this outer part. Like literally only on this outer part. And there we have it. And that's it for the eyes so far. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation right here. And then I'm going to be grabbing the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. I'm just going to be mixing these two because one of them's too light and one of them's like too like pink undertone. Yes, I love when that happens. And let's just hope and pray for the best because right now I am not thriving. Okay, now it's time for concealer. So, where did I say that? So, I'm going to be using the same two concealers I used. This one is going to be used right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And then this one I'm gonna be using directly like right here. I'm not adding a lot, but just the tiniest bit because I am gonna be adding that shadow there. So I'm just gonna be grabbing like a smaller blending brush, and I'm just gonna go straight in. Can you guys even hear me? Honestly. And I'm just gonna go ahead and go straight in with like a dark contour bronzer. Oh, I'm gonna grab this Makeup Forever palette. It has like this pretty teal color in here. I'm gonna pop that on my lid. So I have a little pizzazz in there. So turns out we don't have like a highlight blue, but we do have this Lancome color design palette in warm, and it has like such a pretty middle shade right here. Looks like let's just watch it for you. Looks like this. Oh, super pigmented. Look at that. So crazy shit. For highlighter though, I'm gonna use like a golden one. Actually, I don't know. What am I gonna use? This MAC one's broken. Oh, it's been broken, I guess. Oh shit. Glow kit. Excuse me, camera. And I'm just gonna focus it more of like higher temp, like right here. Higher parts of my cheekbone instead of like bringing it out, because I don't know, I'm liking the more matte looks lately. So now that we're done with highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Blender and Marty Badescu spray, and I'm gonna be going over the highlight just so that in pictures like you can't, it's not like a white cast. Lashes. I'm gonna be using these big lashes from Kiss. I don't know the name, and I went to Ulta to try to find them again because I needed a new pair. I didn't know the name. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. I'm not really a big lip girl. I've come to realize that. A couple people have pointed that out to me. And you know what? I'm not trying to feel attacked, but I probably should do lips today. I might just like line my lips and put some gloss on top, because I don't feel like messing with it all that much. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck again. Oh fuck. Oh my god, I'm so cringy. I don't know what kind of lip to do. Like, what the fuck do you pair with blue? I'm just gonna go ahead and put some gloss on. Say something to me. Gonna put some more gloss. This one is more like, it has glitter and gold reflectance in it. So this is what it looks like. Alright, that's it for this tutorial, or I don't know what you want to call it. It was a little bit of everywhere, but if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!